Hi guys! Today I'm making one of the most popular dishes, a very smooth and light soup to warm up the body and easy to digest. Let's see the ingredients. Cut the upper stalks and remove the outer leaves. Beat them to get the smell and cut into 3 cm pieces. You won't eat them, we just use them to give the soup more aroma. I use 2 kinds of onions with different tastes. Red onion have a strong smell and white onion gives sweet taste to the soup. Cut them the same way into rough chunks. Galangal, one of my favorite herbs in this soup. Slice thinly into a few pieces. Oyster mushrooms, always the best choice to put in the Thai soup. Tear them apart thinly so they are easy to eat. Here, cut in half and slice into 2 cm pieces. I always use the chicken thigh to make a soup because the meat is very soft and tender. Remove the bone and cut into small pieces. Chop the spring onion into 3 cm pieces to add in the soup after finished cooking. Separate the thick cream and water in the coconut milk can. Keep the cream to add after finished cooking. This will give the dish a very nice smell and beautifully creamy. Put the casserole on medium heat and add the coconut milk from the can. After, add some water into the pot. Wait until it starts to get hot. Add lemongrass, red onion or shallot, galangal and lime leaf. These herbs need to be added first to get some aroma in the soup. Next, add the chicken stock in cube or powder, then stir a bit and bring to boil. After the soup is boiling, lower the heat, add chicken, fish sauce, sugar, mix all together well and close with the lid. After 2 minutes pass, check the chicken if ready. After that, add onion and tomato. And add mushroom at last because it's easy to cook. And then put the lid back on the pot. Lastly, add some lime juice, coconut cream, and turn off the heat. Add some spring onion and coriander as much as you want. I decorate a bit more with spring onion and coriander. And here is my beautiful coconut soup or tom Kha Gai. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!